So I just went to change the oil in the truck and I looked under here and found grease all over the right front spindle and the brake caliper. This is very disappointing because I just installed this half shaft not too long ago. And right here on the edge of the boot, it's ripped. And if I turn it, you can kind of see where the grease is coming out of. This is very disappointing. I just installed these things. Yeah, right there. Look at that. This whole thing is ripped. How in the heck did that happen? Wow, the whole thing is split all the way around. Oh, man. Yeah, the entire boot is split all the way around. That is really disappointing. Look at that. That is terrible.